Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to see how to update an existing string in Python. We already know that strings are immutable, so we can't change a specific part of the string using the same string. So, for example, we have a string s which is equal to hello. And now let's write the index position of the string HELLO, and it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if I want to make this string to uppercase HELLO, I can't just write it as s of 0 is equal to uppercase H. Instead of that, I should create a new string that may be of the same variable or of the different variable. Now let me create it using a different variable. So it is s1 which is equal to, so here we are changing only the character in the 0th index position. So I'll write the first character should be H, and along with that I'm going to take the remaining part of the string, that is ELLO, and here I'll give it as S from the position 1 till the end. So it is 1 colon, and I will close with this. So this is how we can update a string using Python. Now let's see a simple code for that. As we have discussed in the example, we have s which is equal to hello in lowercase, and now I want to make the string as capital HELLO. So how do I do this is, I have to create another string s1 which is equal to, the first character is uppercase H plus, and I can do s from the index position 1 till the end. And now let me print this string. So it is capital HELLO. And now for example, I have another string t which is equal to hello friends, and I want to make it as hello guys. So how do I do this is using the replace function. So I'll create another string s2, and using replace function, that is t dot replace, and I have to replace friends. So first I'll give friends. So this is the string that has to be replaced, that is friends, and I will give comma, and the next string is the string that has to be replaced with, that is hello guys. So I'll give guys here, and now I'll print s2, and now let's run this code. So this hello friends became hello guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.